እንደምንላቸው ሰላም ለእናንተ ይሁን። የታይላንድ ቪዛ አሞላልን በተመለከተ ከዚህ በፊት ባቀረብኳቸው ቪዲዮ አስፈላጊ ዶክመንቶችን ዝርዝርን አስቀምጬ ነበረና አንዳንድ ሰዎች ያንን አሞላል ጋር ተያይዞ እንዳሳይ ስለጠየቁኝ ያንን ለማሳየት ነው የመጣሁት። ቱዴይ አይ አም ጎይንግ ቱ ሾው ሃው ቱ apply Thailand visa online without going from your destination to Nairobi or somewhere, because for East Africa, the location, the Thai embassy is located in Nairobi. So before 2025, we have to go to by physically using just holding all our documents, or we have to Nairobi, or we have to send through agents paying a lot of money. But now that the government of Thailand make that very easy, just you apply online, then you will take after 10 days. That's what I did in last February 2025. Before 3 months, I came to Thailand, so I applied online. That the necessary document I already mentioned in my previous YouTube video, but still there is some problem that some applicants request me, so that now today I'm going to show how to fill which documents are very related, because some documents might not be the exact what they ask for a student, but the relative documents which are not exact that document, but the similar documents to a student. I will show which document I used. So they accepted me and I got my visa within 10 days of my application. So I will show you now. Just I share the Google, then we'll go one by one. So we have to go Thai visa login, then this site, this official site, very simple official site. Yes, so you should create your name, first name, second name, nationality. It's very simple. My case, first name, Tamaskan Angelo, last name, my grandfather. Most of the Ethiopian, we have 3 names, but father and the way, for example, me, Angelo, and the Tamaskan, as one name. So I just put first name, this, I don't know Europe, but yes, you can put in such a way, which is appear on your passport. በፓስፖርት እንደሚመጣ አድርጋችሁ ሙሉ ማለት ነው። የአባትና የእናንተን እንደ ፈርስት ኔም ውሰዱ። ከዛ ላስት ኦር ፋሚሊ ኔም አያታችሁን ሙሉ። ከዛ በኋላ ናሽናሊቲ ኢትዮጵያን፣ ኤርትራ፣ ሳሙኤል or anyone that if your nationality is. So write your mobile name, mobile number, including the international digit. So just you finish it. You're creating the account. So now we finish it. Now you see that this is I already created. So I start application. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 icons. The first one is check your eligibility, because there are some countries which are not eligible to go to Thailand. So that first you should check the eligibility criteria. In eligibility criteria, you should upload some items or something that are important to your application. So very simple, or my case, country or territory, just very simple, Ethiopia, location. If you are in Ethiopia, just feel that you choose your country. As I was in Ethiopia, someone or coming from Ethiopia, just I have to show someone is in Ethiopia, Eritrea, or Tanzania, Uganda, area in Africa, in East part is that the Thai embassy is located in Nairobi, Kenya. So apply because when we choose country, location, the place where we are, it comes now that it is none any other option. We have Nairobi is our option. So that now purpose of visit. Now, if you are a student, you just, if you are official, if you are a student, you just ordinary passport or travel passport. If you are a diplomatic, just choose diplomatic ፓስፖርትን ትመርጣላችሁ ማለት ነው። ኦፊሻል ፓስፖርት ከሆናችሁ ኦፊሻሎች ከሆናችሁ የቢሮ ሰራተኛ ቢሮ ላይ የምትሰሩ የቢሮ ጽሕፈት ቤት የጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር የምናምን ከሆናችሁ ደግሞ በዛ ወይ ፐብሊክ አፌር እነዚህ በሙሉ ግን አብዛኛዎቹ የእንትኖቹ ዶክመንቶች የኛ የኢትዮጵያ አብዛኛው ሰው የሚጠቀሙ ፓስፖርታችን ስለሆነ ፓስፖርታችን ባለው ኦሪጂናል ተብሎ ፓስፖርቱ አልተጻፈበትም። but your document is travel document. So then visa type. What is a visa type? Non-immigrant visa. If you are a student, just fill non-immigrant visa. If you are tourist, just choose the first one. If you are transiting from Thailand to somewhere, for example, if you stay to go somewhere else, but you wanted to use Thailand as transit or the place where you stay 2 or 3 days to go somewhere else, you fill transit visa. So these are very important. So others are long stay visa, destination Thailand visa. These are not required for us, not important for us. For us, if you are student, non-immigrant visa. If you are tourist visa. So that just I filled non-immigrant visa. This non-immigrant visa. So visa type, non-immigrant visa. So when you just click on non-immigrant visa, you will get the other purpose of visit. So you will have business, diplomat or somewhere. So you go to down and you will get study. A study. You will get to attend class or something. Yes. Go to down and to study bachelor degree or above. Now I click on this. So when I click on this to start, because you have a lot of choices here. Then uh,